Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do beauty unboxings, beauty hauls, TK Maxx hauls, B&M hauls, daily food hauls, weekly food hauls and that sort of thing. So if that's what you enjoy watching on YouTube, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So as you can probably tell, this is an unboxing of the February Glossybox. And it's for Valentine's Day. It has got this amazingly funky design to the box, which has got lips, lollipops, lipstick and love hearts etc. on it, and the bottom of the box is an absolutely gorgeous hot pink with the lips. So when you take the lid off, it's got this absolutely gorgeous ball, which I always feel like it's a shame to take off, and then it's always stuck down and I always end up ripping the paper. The paper's absolutely gorgeous this month, I really like it. So that is the contents of this month's box. So I'm going to take each item out and read the card. There is a card here, so I'm going to read out what it says. So the first item I can see, it's actually open. I don't know why. The product is actually in there, so I don't understand why it's open. So I've never heard of this brand before. It is Skin Chemist Aqua Repair Facial Serum, Firm Smooth Hydrate, paraben free. On the card it says 24-hour Aqua Repair Facial Serum. Suitable for all skin types, the ingredients in this serum work to infuse skin with vitamins and antioxidants to minimise redness and deliver deep hydration. So this is actually a full size and they're saying this costs £64. I can't believe this is £64. I'm really shocked by that. But if they're saying it's £64, I guess it is £64. The next item, which I'm actually excited about because I've never tried this brand but I've heard good things, it's the Studio 10 Makeup Mist Glow Plexion. I really want to use that. And it says Makeup Mist Glow Plexion. This mist instantly primes, refreshes and hydrates lackluster skin. It can also be used as a setting spray. Full size £26, travel size, which this is £14. I love the packaging on this, like the detail on the lid. That is absolutely fantastic. I've never tried this brand before and I'm really looking forward to trying that. I think it's the wrong time of year for a purple shade, but I love purple. So let's see what it says about this. Ciate London. Say hello to this month's discovery brand, Ciate. Based in London and loved by Beyonce, Adele and Kylie Jenner to name but a few, this fearless brand is renowned for its huge range of colours and powerful creativity. But most importantly, we love Ciate's no-nonsense approach to animal cruelty. Your Ciate nail varnish is PETA certified and vegan friendly with a gel finish. Ciate's polishes allow flexibility to minimise chipping and provide up to 10 days of high gloss shine. £6 this costs for the mini version. I like purple, but it's February. I don't know, maybe because it's a bright purple I'll get away with it, but I'm really happy to get that because it's absolutely gorgeous packaging and it's going to reflect. But Steve Laurent lip gloss. I've never had anything by Steve Laurent before that I remember, but this packaging is very special. It's very extra and wow, that is stunning. And the colour is Nude Pop and it's a pinky nude. Really like the look of that. Nude Pop Lip Tint. This gorgeous creamy lip tint is cruelty free, hydrating and long lasting. And it says it's a full size and it costs £17. And the final product, I think you can probably see this. It is the sleek I Divine mineral based eyeshadow palette in Vintage Romance. I've actually wanted this palette for a very long time, this actual colour. I believe there's various other shades available, but I've actually wanted this. So, matte black as always. I'm going to try and not blind you with the mirror. But there you go, there's the shades. On the card it says, take your sleek makeup divine eyeshadow palette. Take your look from natural to dramatic with the 12 super pigmented shades in this palette, full size $8.99. If you want to know what I thought of this box, please check out my blog, which is always linked below. There will be a matching blog post up a few days after this video goes live. If you have any questions about any of these items, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching everyone, and I'll be back very soon with another unboxing. Bye!